What if you could transform your ideas into a professional nonfiction book in just 7 days using AI without losing your voice or your credibility? If you've ever wanted to write a nonfiction book to grow your influence, share your knowledge, or position yourself as an authority, stay with me because this will save you months of work. Let's be honest, most people never finish their book. You sit down to write, stare at a blank page, watch YouTube videos, try different AI tools, and end up spending more time learning than writing. Days turn into weeks, then months, and your book becomes something you'll get back to someday. And the traditional way doesn't help. Writing a nonfiction book usually takes hundreds of hours, massive discipline, and endless rewriting. That's exactly why I created 7-Day AI Nonfiction Writer. This is not a one-click AI tool that spits out a generic forgettable book. And it's not about letting AI replace you as the writer. It's a clear step-by-step method that uses AI as a writing assistant, helping you move faster while keeping your ideas, your voice, and your credibility fully intact. Over 7 focused days, you go from idea to a complete first draft. You build a personalized AI writing assistant, create your outline, write a short draft, and expand it into full, polished chapters without burnout or overwhelm. I built this method after writing multiple nonfiction books and spending years testing how AI actually works for writers. It's the same process I use myself. Right now, you'll get 50% off, bonus content, and access to our private community for writers. And you're fully protected with a no questions asked refund. So here's the choice. You can keep trying to figure this out on your own, jumping between tools and tutorials, or you can follow a proven method and finally finish your book. You have nothing to lose and a book to gain. Click below and enroll now.